Welcome back to Sprinkle Stars. Today you'll be needing Elmer's PVA school glue, shaving foam, Pure Moist from Woolworths, rainbow food colouring, and Floam. Now first we put in the glue. Next, the shaving cream. And now the activator. Just put some more in. Now, if it's too sticky like this, feel free to put more activator in or bicarbonate soda, also known as baking soda. So now that the slime is done, it's all nice and fluffy now, we can add some food colouring. So as you can see, I've split the slime into 4 equal parts, and now I'm going to add the colour to them. Just a few drops for each of them. So now that we have added our colours, it's time to add the Floam. So pour in some Floam. And just slowly dip each bit of slime into there and then add it in. To make it rainbowy, we are going to put a little bit of each into a container. So there you have it, rainbow slime. So I like to poke the slime more than playing with it with my hands, because it'll become grey. So if you have spare slime like I do, you can put them in separate containers, or you can make another rainbow slime. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and I'll see you next time. Bye.